In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create organization in Asana. If you're moving from a personal workspace to a company-wide setup, creating an organization in Asana gives you a more structured way to manage teams, control permissions, and scale collaboration across your entire company domain. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips so you know what to expect. Start in Asana and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click your profile icon to open the menu, then choose Admin Console. This is where all of your high-level controls live. If you don't see Admin Console, you may not have the right permissions yet. In that case, check with the person who manages Asana at your company so they can grant you admin access or complete the conversion for you. It's also helpful to be signed in with your company email address that uses your organization's domain. Once you're in the Admin Console, go to the Settings tab on the left side. Think of this area as the control center for foundational configuration, domain-related settings, member management rules, and other organization-wide preferences. Before you proceed, it's a good moment to consider the impact of this change. Converting to an organization aligns Asana with your company's email domain, which helps segment teams clearly and makes it easier to manage membership at scale. Now click Convert to Organization and follow the prompts on screen. Asana will guide you through confirming that you want to switch and may show you details about how members will be mapped. Typically, anyone using your company email domain becomes a full member, while people with other email addresses become guests. Your projects and tasks remain intact, but they'll now live under an organization structure which is designed around teams. Take a moment to review these details before you confirm, especially if you have external collaborators, so you can plan any necessary communication to your stakeholders. When the conversion completes, your workspace becomes an organization tied to your company domain. From here, you can continue using the Admin Console to fine-tune settings, review who has access, and set clearer team boundaries. It's a good practice to let your teammates know about the change, explain where their projects now live, and encourage them to create or join the appropriate teams for their departments or projects. If you manage security or compliance, this is also a great time to review permission defaults to ensure the right people see the right work. That's it. By using the Admin Console, heading into Settings, and selecting Convert to Organization, you've set up a scalable structure that supports clearer ownership, easier onboarding, and better visibility across your company.